Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the another video. So you have already seen the title of this video, and that is true. So let me tell you what actually happened. So I was planning to buy Pixel 6a or 7a for a very long time. I want to, share the experience of using Android phone with you guys. So I was planning to buy Pixel 6a. Yesterday I went out to market to buy Pixel 6a. I almost bought that. I like the device, everything was fine. I was about to get it. I don't know, last minute I decided not to buy that. So then I just went into another shop where there were a lot of iPhones. I just swapped my iPhone 14. I was getting a really good deal, so I just gave out my iPhone 14. If you are following me for a while, you guys know that I have two different iPhones, iPhone 14 and iPhone 10s. This is the 10s on which this video is recording, and usually I use iPhone 14 to test out the betas and other stuff. You guys know that. So I got a really good deal and I got myself iPhone 16. So let's go and watch the unboxing video. So now you are back. This is the iPhone 15. We're over here. I got this pin back. You can consider it. I also set up the I mean Apple Intelligence, and that is working also fine. As you can see, everything is working really fine. So yeah, you can expect a lot more videos regarding Apple Intelligence and more stuff. This is the box. I wish I could unbox this on over here, but it was better to unbox and in shop because there could be any problem. So I don't want that problem. So I unboxed that device over there. Other than that, iOS 19 leaks and rumors are going on, and at the same time, Apple confirmed the WWDC 2025. So WWDC 2025 is going to start on 9th June, Monday. Very excited for that. Believe me or not, I am more excited about the WWDC 25 than the iPhone September event. I know if you are also like this, let me know in the comment section below. Um, what we are going to see on WWDC 25, definitely we are going to see iOS 19, iPadOS 19, watchOS, macOS, and a lot more stuff. Maybe VNOS and HomePod OS. There are a lot of OS. So yeah, we are expecting this. Definitely on the same day there will be beta. So the iOS 19 beta 1 release date is 9th June. That is confirmed by the Apple. Definitely on this channel you will be seeing the video of that. I will be sharing what is new with that and all the features and everything stuff. So make sure to subscribe the channel. Yeah, talking about leaks and rumors, we are getting a lot of leaks that it is going to be like full change in the iOS 19 since the iOS 17. But if you remember, guys, a shift of iOS 6 to iOS 7 was really big. But we haven't seen that shift again, but this time we are expecting that kind of shift. So maybe we are going to see a complete overhaul of iOS, which is going to be insane. I do have lots of leaks and rumors. Definitely, some things are confirmed, some things are not confirmed. If I talk about the rumors, they are like we are going to get transparent UI, something like VNOS. VNOS looks really good. So camera, we are also expecting a complete change in the camera app, because camera app, if I show you over here, this camera app is a very old camera app. It is saved from so many years. So definitely it is important to change this camera app, bring a better changes to this. Other than this, we are expecting icons, rounded icons, and I do have mixed feelings about the rounded icons. I like these icons way more than the rounded icons. I don't know, Maybe if they come out, maybe we start to like that. I don't know, but I like these icons way, way more. There is a thread by Mark Gurman. iOS 19 images floating around are not representative of what we will see at WWDC. Now, this is something very big. They look to be based on either old builds or vague descriptions missing key features. Expect more from Apple in June. Regardless, mockups, real or not, are always exciting for the Apple watchers. So at the same time, we are expecting a lot of glossy look stuff over here. We are also expecting maybe this is not going to happen. So yeah, it is going to be a mixed kind of thing, but definitely on 9th June we are going to see what Apple is going to bring for us, and definitely I am here to share that with you guys. So yeah, this is all from this video. I wanted to announce that yes, I got the iPhone 16 for you guys. We'll be bringing more videos regarding Apple Intelligence and every other stuff that I missed throughout the year, but now those videos will be with you guys. This is all from this video, and I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Peace out.